In this video, I want to talk about the benefits to the homeowner. I work with and specialize in helping homeowners who need to sell quickly, who have little, no, or negative equity. I can help them get their home sold quickly, usually within 30 days through my lease purchase program. I do all the marketing to find them what I call a lease purchase buyer. I may already have a buyer on my current buyers list. If not, I'll do all the marketing at no cost to the homeowner to find them a qualified lease buyer. I do all the pre-screening, and I have a stringent pre-screening process. I look at a potential lease buyer's driver's license, civil records, criminal records, Megan's Law. I want a W-2. I verify their employment, and either I or they pull their credit report. So I have a full package that I can provide to the seller. I usually pick 3 or 4 of the best candidates and present those files to the homeowner who want to sell their home quickly. The homeowner gets to pick and choose who they want as the lease buyer. The homeowner has the final say before the lease buyer moves in. I do not charge the homeowner any fees for my services for all of this, all these benefits. My fee comes from the lease buyer. Then I set up the closing. I use an attorney, a local attorney here in St. Petersburg, to do the closing. The lease and other documents that are signed in the attorney's office. That's at my insistence. The seller and the lease buyer go to the attorney's office. They sign the documents in front of the attorney. The attorney reviews the documents one final time before they sign. All the documents are up to date on Florida law and have been approved by FAR. The closing takes place at the attorney's office and is attended by both parties. This protects the homeowner, the lease buyer, and me. So these are tremendous benefits at no cost to the homeowner who wants to sell their home, who needs to sell their home quickly, and I can help them with that.